Hello and welcome back to Learn English Moments, the place where you learn to speak real, natural English every day.
In today's lesson, we're going to help you feel more confident speaking English on the phone. Whether you're making a business call or just chatting with a friend, these phrases will be super useful. So grab a notebook and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
All right, let's start with something simple. What's the first thing you usually say when you answer the phone?
I usually say, hello, this is your name speaking. It's polite and professional.
Exactly. Or if you're answering your phone casually, you can just say, hello, or hi, who's this?
Right. Now, when you're making a phone call and you want to talk to someone specific, you can say, may I speak to Sarah, please? Or, is John there? For something more casual.
And if you're calling a business, a good one is, I'm calling about, like, I'm calling about the interview we scheduled. Or, I'm calling to ask about your services.
That's great. Now, what if the person you're calling isn't available?
Good question. In that case, the person who answers might say, I'm afraid she's not available at the moment. Or, he's in a meeting right now.
And then they usually ask, can I take a message? Or they might say, can I take a message? And you can respond with something like, yes, please ask her to call me back. Or please tell him that I called. Very useful when you don't want to go into details.
Now, let's talk about asking someone to repeat something. This happens a lot, especially on the phone.
Oh yes, the line might be unclear. You can say, sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it, please?
Or, would you mind speaking a little more slowly? That's polite and effective.
And what about putting someone on hold?
If you're transferring a call or need a moment, say, can you hold for a moment, please? Or, I'll put you through now.
And don't forget to thank the person for waiting. Sorry to keep you waiting. Always nice to be polite.
Absolutely. Now, let's go over ending a call politely.
Some good ones are, thanks for calling. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. And of course, goodbye or just bye.
If it's a business call, you might say, thank you for your time. Or, I appreciate your help.
Nice. So many useful expressions today. Should we do a quick recap?
Let's do it. When making a call, use, hello, this is Alex speaking. May I speak to John, please? I'm calling about.
When receiving a call, say, hello, who's calling, please? I'll transfer your call. Can you hold for a moment?
If the person is unavailable, he's not available at the moment. Can I take a message? Please ask her to call me back.
And for ending a call, say, thanks for calling. Talk soon. Goodbye.
We hope you found these phrases helpful and easy to remember. Try using them the next time you speak English on the phone.
And remember, speaking confidently takes practice, so keep practicing with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to Learn English Moments for more daily English lessons.
We'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye for now.